Okay, so today what I'm going to show you is how to make a really easy and delicious crustless pumpkin pie. And it comes from the Happy Herbivore Holidays and Gatherings cookbook. And this is an amazing cookbook for holidays and gatherings. And they're all oil-free and fat-free and all the above. And this recipe is the crustless pumpkin pie right here. And it's very easy. You can pause the video. There it is. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients. We're going to need some non-dairy milk, and we're going to use some soy milk right here. We've got a whole can of pumpkin puree, some salt, some pumpkin spice, some cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use arrowroot powder. You've got some baking powder, some flour, some sugar, and we've got some cashews. And this is from Mary McDougall's little trick. If you don't soak your cashews overnight, just put them in some boiling water for 10 minutes and drain it off. So we are going to do that with our half a cup of cashews right here. And lastly, you're going to need some vanilla. And that's it. So the first thing we want to do is put all this goodness in our blender. You can use an immersion blender. You can even mix it by hand. Now I've added my vanilla to my milk already. We're going to put all of our wet ingredients in first. Now pumpkin spice is a really strong mixture of spices, and the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons. I only put in about 2.5. So it's up to you. You can put as much as you want. Okay, it's ready. So now, let me clean this up and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so we've got our pie dish right here, and it's not spreaded with anything. It's completely dry, and I'm just going to add this mixture into it. Okay, and we're going to put it in a preheated oven. It's preheating at 350 degrees. And between an hour and 10 minutes. So it's been an hour and 10 minutes, and we're going to take out our pie right here. And it looks absolutely delicious. And what we're going to do is we're going to let it cool, bring it to room temperature, and then I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge. So we'll eat it tomorrow. Okay, so the pie has come down to room temperature, and all I'm going to do is just cover it with some saran wrap and just stick it in the fridge. Now the recipe says that you can give it 4 hours and then cut into it, go for it, but we like to put it in the fridge overnight, and that's one less thing you have to do the day of your event. Now I just wanted to show you guys something really funny. So I made this pie. I did a video before this one, and I forgot a major ingredient. I forgot the flour. So it turned into a delicious pumpkin pie pudding. I make mistakes too, and you can see the kids have already tasted it. So see, pudding and pie. So it's the day after, and I just took out my pie from the fridge, and it's nice and beautiful. And we're gonna cut it. You're going to see how nice and thick it is. Just cut it over. Okay, and I'm going to serve it up. Look at that, just perfection. Right there, and so you guys can also see how nice and thick it is. Just beautiful. Perfect. Thanks for watching.